So guys, this is called as reverse chain rule. In reverse chain rule, we need to find a function which we differentiate, we end up with the same answer. So like we said last time, what can happen if we have cos x plus 1 to power 6? We know that one when we differentiate, the power goes down by 1. So therefore, when we are going to differentiate it, we get dy over dx. In order to find dy over dx, we bring the power down, which becomes 6 cos x plus 1 to power reduced by 1, which become 5. When it becomes 5, we need to differentiate the inside function, and differentiation of inside function is going to be minus sine x, because we know that one differentiation of cos is minus sine x. If I rewrite this one, I am going to get 6 sine x times by cos x plus 1 to power 5. Now, if we go back to our question, so this was the same question which we started with, except minus 6. So we need to write down I as our answer. We write minus 1 6 cos x plus 1 to power 6 plus c. So because why we wrote like that? Because differentiation and integrations, they are opposite to each other. Therefore, we end up with this answer. Any question, guys, ask me. Otherwise, I give you time to go for next question.